My job takes me around the world to places I've never even dreamed of. But it also takes me away from the one place I love the most. Home. Introducing Ebo by Enobot. Ebo is a smart family companion that allows you to be with the ones you love anytime, anywhere. It's your roam away from home. Rise and shine, sweetie.
Good morning, Mom.
Available in 2 models, Air and SE. Ebo can be connected to your Wi-Fi and controlled remotely with a simple touch of a screen,
Morning, sweetheart.
no matter where you are. How was school?
Look it. I got an award from school.
Oh, congratulations!
She's just like a mother.
With the built-in full HD camera,
Move a little
you can
bit to your
capture every smile. Okay.
Say cheese.
And save every memory using Ebo's local storage. Want to play with your pets when you're away? Ebo makes it fun and easy.
Hey, Oreo.
Just connect to the app, find out what your fuzzy one is up to, and have a play session. Compatible with iOS and Android, Ebo is equipped with a microphone and speakers, allowing for real-life interactions. Whoa, that sounds amazing. And you can always reach your elderly loved ones, even when they're away from their phones.
Hey, hi, dear.
Don't overdo it, okay? And the whole family can use it, as it allows for multiple users to log in. Ebo gives you peace of mind no matter where you are. With its surveillance features, such as 24-hour video recording, motion detection, and night vision, Ebo can monitor your house 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Its compact size allows Ebo to explore every corner of your home, discover a brand new perspective, and go places you can't reach. Using advanced TOF technology, Ebo can detect all sorts of obstacles ahead, and when needed, it comes to a full stop. Ebo's tumbler design gets Ebo back up on its wheels in a matter of seconds. That way, Ebo is always ready to roll. But Ebo is much more than just a smart tech device. Ebo Air's electronic pet setting turns your Ebo into a loving friend that always keeps you company. It's a true family companion. And the anti-drop function prevents Ebo Air from falling down from higher surfaces, such as steps, stairs, and furniture, avoiding accidents at all costs. When low on power, Ebo finds its way back to the charging dock and gets ready for a brand new day. From the Enobot family to yours, we're happy to bring love and companionship into your home. Ebo, always together.